We just built a new room we added to our house. So this was the outside wall, and this was a big window. We took out the window. And then this is our new room, which I absolutely love. We've got reclaimed wood for the ceiling, reclaimed beams. Rick actually tore down a barn and those beams came out of the barn. Stone fireplace. The mantle came out of another barn that Rick tore down. And Rick actually tore down the barn that the flooring comes from. It's soft pine, wide plank, which we are absolutely in love with. Turned out beautiful. We still need to get some things on the walls. Not much, but a little bit. And then I love all the windows. We added this covered porch, which we still haven't done much with yet. And then we've got a great view out the windows of our pond. Our little cabin. We did shiplap on the walls. So yeah, I absolutely love our new room. I feel like it's very cozy. Some special things. This is an old advertising pup. And that's a picture of my dad with his pup when he was young. Little Boston Terrier. And then I feel this whiskey tin sign is fitting because we get a lot of deer out here, so we're always watching for deer. And I collect old trunks, so there's a few of my favorite small ones. So yeah, that's our new room that we absolutely love. The lighting is reproduction lighting that I sell in my shop, so that worked out. So yeah. And one thing I love, if you don't have a candle warmer lamp, you need one. I've got them all over the house. I absolutely love them. So that is our new room, which I look forward to spending a lot of time in, and I cannot wait for the first snowfall.